Hi, this is Linda and this is my channel, Linda's Mysteries. Long time no see, my tribe. I am back. What's up? I am here today to be able to share my knowledge of 5+ years of tarot reading and teaching, as I'm a professional tarot reader, tarotist. And I really want to take you on a journey where you can start tarot card reading. So the big question, how to start, is in. So my first suggestion, of course, is very logical. Pick your cards, pick your own tarot cards. If you don't know how and need suggestions, I made a video, I think around here, you might be able to click it. Well, it's there. Once you have your tarot cards, you can go further. And these are gonna be my tips on how to truly start your tarot card reading journey. Not just, it's learning, reading, also meanings, knowing meanings, oh yeah, all of it together. So what is very important to start, especially if you're on your own? Build a practice. Create habit. Easiest way to start it, I feel, is if you create a specific place in your home where you would do this practice. Ideally, every day, also maybe every other day, weekly, also I think it's okay. A bit less than that, it might not be a real strong habit yet. But if you really go more actively on it, then that's becoming a habit. That place is becoming rooted as the place where you do tarot card readings and have fun on your own. What is also important, create a journal where you're gonna write down your experience. Really write out whatever experiences you receive with learning the meanings and also reading the cards. It's gonna be very helpful to look back on and learn deeper. My third part of it is really try to, maybe in the beginning, pick out a card a day and really have fun with it. Play around. If you create it as a fun activity for yourself, your brain will actually want to do it more and more. So that's going to be very helpful to create it as into a real habit, a real practice. Of course, all of this is way easier if you're part of a course with other people, because that motivates us to a whole new level. So that would be the easiest way to start, of course. My second suggestion would be to do both. Learn and read the tarot cards about at least self-growth together at the same time. So many of us might in the beginning think, oh, I need to know all 78 card meanings before I start a reading. And then you're like, oh my God, 78. And then each one of them has so many meanings. Like if you even just look at the little books in each deck, you will see so many differences. Oh my gosh. It will really, like, for me, the beginning, my head was just blowing up from the amount of meanings. But I strongly suggest that you do both, the reading and the learning of the meanings at the same time. Even at your first time, I suggest you take your cards and pick out at least one as, let's say, your day card, and start from there. It might be very tricky the first time you do it, especially if you're on your own and you don't have a teacher that guides you how to activate your intuition and really go with the reading, which is what I do. Yeah, either way, when you have the tarot card there, you can be just playfully trying to get out all the information you can, write about it, journal, have fun, really play, okay? The more open your mindset is, the better. And in that way, if you read and learn the meanings at the same time, you're actually gonna go way deeper, honestly. You will not have to memorize them because you will have actively lived through the experiences. You did the practice. So one thing is to just be in theory, right? But the other part is to truly practice things. And if we put them together, that's the golden standard right there. Yeah. Okay. Of course, this is also quite much easier if you are part of groups or challenges or other things. So you can search that out as well. Courses, of course. And my third final suggestion for this starting journey, to be able to build confidence. Because I know in the beginning, especially if you go with my suggestions and you start to read the cards on the first days already on your own, you might not be very confident. It's okay, it's normal. So part of the confidence is a bit tricky because, yeah, if we as persons naturally we're not very confident, it's gonna play out through the tarot as well. So that's a part to work on already. But the other part is just having the practice, having the regularity, doing the things. And here I give a strong suggestion that you start to read for yourself instead immediately for others. Because in that sense, you will really experience the cards through yourself. You will know what the journey is. You will know how it feels. You will be able to really understand what's happening. Okay? That's truly a good suggestion. So once you have these parts, of course, building confidence can be the strongest if you practice very regularly, and that's why I've created a beautiful tarot course, which I call Tarot 101, where we're gonna learn in just 1 month, in 30 beautiful days, through practices daily, challenges every day, but in a very playful, fun way, which is almost like a game of sorts. Oh, the inner kids will be so happy. In that way, we're gonna learn the tarot cards, all 78 of them, by having fun and really going in deeper with understanding how the intuition is playing in the part of reading, and also really getting started with the tarot card reading process. So if you're intrigued about my new beautiful course that starts in a week, just go in below, you will see all the information, but you can also just check my work everywhere else and, you know, follow up my courses and all my things. I'm very happy that you are here and that you listened this far. That's really cool. You really must be interested, like I am, so we're on the same page. And if you have specific questions when it comes to tarot cards or spirituality, let me know in the comments below. I will be very glad and happy to respond in my next videos or maybe on my social media channels. And I'm very, very happy that you're following me here. Lots of love. And this is my beautiful channel that is meant for your most blissful growth. Okay, I will see you next time. Ciao!